What's good, great people? So just got a knock on the door, and I think a part that we've been waiting for has just turned up. Here we go. You wanna know where this bad boy came from? Wheel Dyno Works. Let's get it. All right, welcome back to the channel, great people. Carmina here. Today we got a very special package. We got a package from Wheel Dyno Works. In here is our ECU for our 2025 Kawasaki Z900 SE. As you can see, pretty much we have the full exhaust installed by Arrow, but pretty much everything here is taken off the bike, the seats, everything is off down here. So got to get all of that taken care of and put back on. I got all the plastics in the room as I was waiting for that to be installed. So yeah, let's get this box open and see what it looks like. All right, let's see what this box or what this package from Wheel Dyno Works includes. Open it up here. Pretty much another sealed container. Let's open it from the side here. Let's open it from the side here. Nice package, bubble wrapped. There goes my ECU. I mailed in. All right, let's get her installed. All right, great people. We just finished putting back on the tank and connecting it with the electrical connectors and the fuel line, and also putting in two small block off plugs for the exhaust that I was waiting to get in. So let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so we just finished reconnecting back the exhaust. So here I plug the plug back in. There is the actual fuel line down there that I plug back in, and then I'm just plugged in these bungs here to block off the OBD-II port using some Loctite. So hey, we're about to get our first start and hear the exhaust for the first time. Some fuel getting there first. Here we go.